In this video, we will discuss the form component and some of its features. The form component enables you to add and edit data into your app. Similar to pages, you can add rows and columns to a form to structure your form fields any way you wish. You can choose which fields you want to display in your form by selecting them from the Fields tab. Within each field, there are several unique options you can utilize to further customize your form component. You can set certain fields to be required for form submission, or you have the option of disabling them from being edited. You can also customize the form labels with custom text styles, icons, and label positions. For example, you can choose to put the label to the left of the field with a unique icon. Depending on the field type you're editing, certain fields contain unique options. For example, a connection field will allow you to filter which values appear in the dropdown, while a radio field can enable you to customize your choices with icons from the builder. Please check out each field to explore the unique options available for that field. In the Form Options tab, you can enable or disable the Submit button, as well as customize the text and style based on custom rules. For example, if the status is set to Active, change the button text and color. When working with a form in a child page, like a record details page, you'll have a Back To link. Here you have the option of hiding that. To learn more about forms, be sure to check out our in-depth series on forms.